Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Online course creation step 8. A few production tips. You need to think about the length of your course, and you're probably asking yourself, thinking you want to ask me, how many sections and how many lectures? And the simple answer is whatever solves the problem your course is addressing. Try not to have sections which you've got too many videos in. You can split them up. I mean, part of the problem with the course management systems, whether they're platforms or marketplace, is they're pretty two-dimensional. It's sections and lectures, and it's very difficult unless you start having separate courses to have another tier of category. So you need to think about how you can do that. One little tip I would say is that for some of these courses, like in my masterclass, I have planning and then production and then promotion as like separate introductions to each section, which helps to make clear which are which. Keep your lectures to around 5 minutes and have a clear plan before you start. This will help you to make sure that you don't waste time creating a lot of content that you don't subsequently need. Write your lecture notes for each lecture as you go. It's very difficult to come back and write little lecture descriptions because all the information in the lecture won't be in your mind. So do it at the time that you record the lecture. And ensure that you write your course description like a sales letter, because that's what it's going to be doing. It's going to be selling your course to your audience, and that's what you need to get across. And of course, you need a good personal image. You need an image which is a clear headshot, high quality, good definition, good lighting, with your eyes looking straight at the camera, so people feel you're looking at them. And of course, you need a relevant bio, positioning yourself as an expert in the field that you want to teach. And it's always worth keeping that up to date.